Hi there. So if you're watching this video, you're most likely interested in learning more about Jeff Clark Trader, maybe even buying it. And you're probably interested in learning how to trade options. Well, in this quick video, what I'm going to do is just talk a little bit about Jeff Clark's ultimate guide to generating income with options. So before I get on with the video, if you don't know what options trading is, I'll just explain it to you very, very quickly. So options trading or options contract is basically a simple security or contract that gives you the right to buy or sell an underlying stock by a certain time period. But the thing is, just because you take out an options on the stock doesn't mean you have to buy or sell it. You're sort of buying and selling the potential of a stock using the options contract. So that is basically what an option is. And basically there's two kinds of options. There's a call option and then there's a put option. So what did I sort of think of the ultimate guide to generating options? Well, I thought it was brilliant. Now, I'm by no means an options trading expert. I'm more into crypto, but I came into Jeff Clark Trader because I wanted to learn more about options, because one of the key benefits of trading options is you can profit whether the market rises or falls. So basically, that is what attracted me to it, because obviously this year, 2022, has been very volatile in the markets. And the reasons why sort of options contracts were created in the first place was to minimize risk. And the smart options traders use them to minimize their risks but maximize their profit. So that's why options trading is so powerful. Now, onto this report. So what did I think of this report? Well, if you don't know anything about options, then this guide will teach you the basics of options very, very quickly. Now, it's an in-depth report. It's 33 pages long, but it basically reveals all of the things you need to know to get into options trading. Gives options trading strategies on call and put options, shows you how to open an account, shows you how to choose trades, when to sell, when to buy. So basically it tells you everything you need to know about options. And once you read this report, you'll be way ahead of 99% of options traders. I love this report because if you've never traded options before, they can be very, very confusing. It can take quite a while for you to get your head around what an option is, but this options trading guide explains options in a really easy to understand, because I think when you want to trade options, you need to understand what, the vehicle you're using. And options trading is just you're using a contract to buy or have the right to buy or sell an underlying stock. And I think a lot of people get confused, and I must admit I was very confused in the beginning with options trading, because it is quite complicated for those who don't really know what it's about. But once you read this guide here, you'll be well up to speed, and I think a little light bulb will go off in your head thinking, yeah, okay, I get it now. So yeah, big thumbs up for this guide. I mean, like I said, it's 33 pages long, takes you from A to Z of options trading. So once you've finished it, you'll be pretty much ready to go and start trading options. So massive thumbs up. So what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm just going to give you a little tour of Jeff Clark Trader. This is probably one of the most in-depth options trading resources you can have. Now, Jeff Clark Trader gives, he's got a monthly newsletter, but he gives buy and sell recommendations, and he's got a whole load of, sort of different sort of reports and training centers of complete trading or, resource for options trading. So you've got the issues and updates, which are mainly the buy and sell updates, plus a newsletter. This is probably my favorite part. These are all the different reports of all the different strategies Jeff Clark uses for trading options. The most recent one is fast cat trades, makes instant cash using uncovered puts, which is really interesting. And you've got all of these different reports here. And this is one I'm reviewing mainly in this report. So there's huge amounts of guides here for trading options, which I find really, really useful. It's probably my favorite part. You've got the portfolio with all the different trades. You've got all the different training videos here. You've got crash course of trading options. There's loads of different videos here. Understanding options and buying calls. I'm not going to go through all of them. Basically, once you've been through all of this, it'll really help you to, sort of trade options. Then you got the training center. Jeff's masterclass video training series, how to open an options account, how to open and close an options trade, guide to trading options. So yeah, lots of different resources there to get you up to speed with trading options. So I give a huge thumbs up to Jeff Clark Trader. If you're interested in learning options trading, lots of positive things in here. He offers really good trade alerts, and most of his, sort of trade recommendations win most of the time. Now, you're not going to win most of the time, but Jeff Clark Trader, he does his trades in a way that you're going to win most of your trades and make a profit. And all of Jeff's recommendations are not risky. He does recommend you put a load of money on. It's all about putting little amounts of money on any one trade and accumulating your profits slowly. So that's the whole sort of ethos behind Jeff Clark Trader. Now, if you want to purchase Jeff Clark Trader, I'll put a link down below. And normally Jeff Clark Trader is $199 to buy. You can just buy it for literally $19, and that locks in your membership for a whole year. And you get a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can ask for your money back. But if you want to learn options trading, I can highly recommend Jeff Clark Trader. So hopefully you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.